So welcome to the new video, and that is flow pattern and flow visualization. In this, before in flow visualization we have to know about what is streamline, what is stream tubes, what is path line, what is streak lines. So in this video I am going to tell you what is streamline and stream tubes with nodes. So guys, without much ado, let's start our video. So now, what is streamline and stream tube? First of all, what streamline and stream tubes? What is flow pattern and flow visualization? While quantitative study of fluid dynamics requires advanced mathematics, much can be learned from flow visualization. The visual examination of flow field features. Flow visualization is useful not only in a physical experiment but in numerical solution as well as. So before flow pattern and before going to the flow pattern and flow vision, we have to know about what is streamline, stream tubes, is path lines and streak lines, etc. So now, what is streamline? A streamline is a curve. A streamline is a curve that is everywhere tangent to the instantaneous local velocity vector. Means here I am showing you this is an streamline, which is it is an tangent with the this streamline, so it is called an streamline. A streamline is a curve that is everywhere tangent to the instantaneous local velocity. This is a local velocity, and this instantaneous this streamline curve must be tangent to this local velocity vector. So this is an streamline. These streamline are useful as indicators of instantaneous direction of fluid motion throughout the flow field. So the equation of streamline dr by dv is equals to dx by du is equals to dy by dy by v is equals to dz by dw, where dr is magnitude of the vector dr here shown. Vector dr, where is vector dr? This is dr vector, and v is the magnitude of the speed. So now let's come to the what is stream tube. A stream tube consists of a bundles of streamlines, much like a communication cable consists of bundle of fiber optic cables. So what is stream tube? Stream tube is the bundle of streamlines. So nothing to worry about in this stream tubes. It is a bundle of streamlines. Streamline like a communication cable consists of a bundle of fiber optic cables. Since streamlines are everywhere parallel to the local velocity fluid cannot cross a streamline by definition. So since the streamline are everywhere parallel to the local velocity fluid velocity, it means the streamline never cross a streamline by definition. Means streamline will never cross each other. So in this the conclusion is that in this we found out new thing, that in streamline they are parallel to the everywhere to the with a local velocity, so it cannot cross a streamline. It can cross the so the streamline never cross each other. So now come to the what is path line. A path line is the actual path traveled by an individual fluid particles over some time period. It is in path line. What is path line? Path line is the actual path traveled by the an individual fluid particles over a some period of, we are observing for some period of time, means what type of path it covers. Now what type of path the individual particles covers in a for certain period of time. So path line are easiest of flow patterns to understand. A path line is a Lagrangian concept because it is observing, we are observing the what time, what path the fluid particles, we are observing the fluid particles, where it is going, and how it's showing its behavior. So it is a path line is a Lagrangian concept, in that we simply follow the path of an individual fluid particles as it moves around in the flow field. So now come to the what is streak line. Streak line is the locus of the fluid particles that have passed sequentially through a through a prescribed point in the flow. The main difference between these three are the now it's a conclusion. The streamline represent an instantaneous flow pattern at a given instant in a time. What streamline represent an instantaneous flow pattern at the given instant in a time. In a given instant in a time, what is streamline represent? It represent the instantaneous flow pattern of that streamline of the fluid particles. And what is streak line and path line are flow patterns that have some age, and thus age means we are observing for certain period of time, not instantaneous. Thus a time history associated with them, time history is associated. A streak is an instantaneous pattern. A streak is an instantaneous snapshot of what? Streak is an instantaneous snapshot of time integrated flow pattern. So now come to the here. A path line, on the other hand, is the time exposed flow path of an individual particles over some period of time. So if you like my videos, okay, I'll show you guys. A path line, on the other hand, is the time exposed flow path of an individual particles over some period of time. So thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.